are going to have so much fun! This is going to be the best day ever!
Behold the amazing power of a single golden kernel. It's a tiny seed that is waiting to burst. Inside every kernel,
There is a tiny drop of water.
and what happens when it gets hot? That's when the magic happens.